What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the engine air filter in a 2024 Hyundai Kona. There's two different engine options that come on the 24 Kona. This particular one has the 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, the non-turbo motor. So taking a look at the engine compartment, if we look over on the driver's side, this item right here is the air box. This is what houses the engine air filter. There's two clips that we need to undo. One right here and one right here. After we get those two clips undone, this whole piece will just kind of pop off like that. And we can reach in here and grab the actual air filter. That'll come out like that. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on where you can find these replacement air filters if you're in need. So our air filter will go in there like that. Oh, and also I should mention, before you put your new air filter in, it's a good idea to go ahead and clean out the air box with a shop vac or even like a rag. Get that as clean as you can. And then put your new air filter in. And then on the back here, you can see there's these two tabs here and here. They're going to line up in this slot here and here. So line those notches up in that slot. Get that down. And then the last thing we need to do is just redo these clips. Re-snap these. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.